Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brake fluid on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So the first thing you want to do is get the car in the air with all four wheels off. If you want to know how to jack the car up, check out my other videos. First we're going to put some rags around the bottom of the brake cylinder and we're going to take the cap off and then get a flathead screwdriver, pop the cap out and then stick it on the side. Next we're going to go all the way to the rear driver's side because this is the furthest point away from the brake cylinder, and then what we're going to do is get a flathead screwdriver in there and pop off this brake bleed nipple like so. Thing you're going to need is this. Now this is a one-way bleed valve. This allows you to do this by yourself. Now these are like a £5 off eBay and I highly recommend these, but what we're going to do is get a bottle or a plastic cup of old brake fluid so we can get the other end in to stop any bubbles coming through, and then we're going to attach this end to the bleed nipple. If you're struggling to get it on, it can be a bit tricky. Use some long nose pliers just to help it go on like that. Now the arrow should point away and the other end's going to go into this old brake fluid, and then on the back of these RCZs it uses a 11mm, so we'll put that here and we're going to crack that off, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get somebody to pump the brake and keep an eye on the brake fluid level as we do this. So before we begin, I like to fill it right to the top so that I know I'm not going to run out, and I'll probably pump it about 5 times the brake pedal and then try again. Right, so you drum around the other side because I've got a technique going. So what you want to do is undo it until you start a bit of brake fluid coming out. They will be stiff on the back, so don't be frightened to pull it about, I don't know, about 90 degrees and you'll start getting fluid coming down. But the best technique I've found is pump the pedal 5 times, then top the fluid up and then pump it another 5 times and then repeat just twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and then tighten it once you've done that, and then move on to the next wheel. Right, so onto the front now, and for this one it's a 9mm. So take your bleed nipple off as before and just repeat the process. Right, so for this one I'm going to show you the whole technique. Luckily the RCZ has got a nice little spot to put a bottle, and yeah, I forgot to say, if you get the bottle above, it's much better because all the air bubbles come out. Anyway, I've topped the reservoir up right to the top, and now I'm going to ask my assistant to start pumping. So we're going to release the bleed nipple now and then go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hold. Now I'm going to go back round to the reservoir. I'm going to top that right to the top. There'll be a bit of air coming out of it like that. And then we'll start again. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all you do is you just tighten it like that, and that's it, all done.
A great success!
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.